So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7-day 7 oracle messages for all the Saggy Sun Moon Venus rising from 20th till the 26th of April 2026. Okay, keep in mind these are general messages. This might or might not resonate. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into my readings, at least. Okay, and even if they're resonating 100% with you, take the messages as a guidance only. Whatever decisions or choices you guys are going to make based on these readings is your responsibility, not mine or my channels. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Sagittarius, let's see what we have for this week. The overall energy for Sagittarius people for this week. Let's see what we have. So we have Seven of Raphael, time to make a decision, be clear on what you want, and take action, a need for detoxification. You guys have to make a solid choice or solid decision here. If you guys are going back and forth and you guys are living in full of confusion kind of energy, the time has come for you guys to make a proper decision, make a proper choice. Be very clear on what you actually want from a particular person or situation, and take the actions accordingly. A need for detoxification, whether it's a physical detoxification or it's mental or emotional detoxification, there is a need to clean your energies, clean your insides or maybe outsides too, right? Let's see the per day messages for you guys, Sagittarius. 20th, we have the Eight of Michael. You can be free. You might be feeling like you are struggling with getting freedom, you're struggling with feeling happy, feeling free. You can be actually free, but you guys have to make a courageous choice, a courageous decision to change your situation. Otherwise, this freedom cannot be achieved. It can be achieved, but you guys have to make it happen, right? Not seeing things clearly right now, there is some kind of illusion or some kind of confusion or foggy kind of energies going on within a dynamics. Maybe with like you're in general very confused about life, but these things can be sorted, but you guys have to make a courageous choice to sort things out. You can be definitely free. 21st, we have Ace of Michael, a wonderful new idea. You guys are going to get some kind of aha or bingo moment where you are going to get some kind of wonderful idea to act upon. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Don't allow some kind of small challenges or obstacles to stop you from reaching towards your goal. Clear up communication problems with others. If you guys are having some kind of miscommunication, if you guys are having some kind of lack of communication in a particular situation, just clear these communications issues as soon as possible before they are going to get something difficult to deal with. 22nd, we have the Four of Ariel. When you give, you also receive. When you give with an open heart and grateful heart, you also receive accordingly. Okay, being resistant to change. You guys might not be liking the idea of change. Being resistant to change is actually going to slow your growth and progress as a person, as a soul. So don't be resistant to change. Try to go with the flow and try to accept the changes, because change is the only constant, Sagittarius. Extremes in how you save or spend money. So you guys have to find a middle ground where either you are getting obsessed with money or you don't care at all. So finding a middle ground and working on your money issues is going to help you guys out. Okay. 20th, 21st, 22nd. 23rd, we have the Two of Gabriel. Make bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is possible. Important relationships with people who share your visions, who share your vision. You guys have to make some kind of bold choices or decisions here in this week, honey. Things are not working out, or things are continuously getting out of hands because you guys are not able to make the choice or the decision that you guys should have. Okay, so that's very important for you. Great progress is possible only when you guys will be able to make these choices and decisions, and connect with important people who share your vision when it comes to maybe your career or relationships in general. Connect with those people or spend time with those people who share the same kind of vision as you have. It's going to make your life much more easier and peaceful. 24th, we have the Seven of Michael. There is better course of action available to you. You might be stuck on the idea that my way is the highway, nothing better. There's nothing better than my thing, or there's nothing good coming out of anything else. So you guys have to understand that there are other options available that you can work upon. Working alone may not be the best answer. Connect with the team, or at least partner up with one person, one energy that can help you to grow. Hmm? Review all the details. Review all the details of your contracts, of your legal paperwork, or if you are signing something with someone. Okay, think about it properly. Read it properly, all the terms and conditions and everything, before you are going to jump into any kind of collaboration or partnership, because if not taken care of, this can convert into something shitty. Hmm? 25th, we have five of Ariel. You need not go through your current challenges alone. Okay, you can take help from somebody, honey, so that you guys can move forward. You guys might be feeling like you have to handle all the stress of the universe by yourself. No one is going to help you, nothing is going to come to help you. No, it's not like that. You can take help from others in whatever area of your life you're struggling with, right? Taking help is a sign of strength and courage, not the sign of weakness. This is like our conditioning that taking help is, oh my god, you're weak, you're taking help. Bullshit. It's actually the opposite, right? Help is nearby only, and negative thoughts create self fulfilling prophecies. If you're going to feed the negative thoughts, you might think like this is your reality. Whatever you are going to feed, whatever you are going to focus on is going to grow, right? So if you're going to focus on the negative thoughts, you might think this is your life and this is how life is, everybody's life. It's not like that. It's your self-fulfilling prophecies. It's just your perception. I don't understand the meaning of this word prophecies. Let me know in the comment section. I'll also learn from you guys. But whatever you are going to focus on is going to grow, and negative thinking is not your life, it's just your thinking. 26, we have the page of Ariel. An excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Something really good and meaningful is coming on this day for you guys. Scholarships or the pursuit of education. If you're looking for higher education, if you're looking for some kind of scholarships, there are very good chances that you guys are going to get it. Time to get to work. If you guys took a break or something, it's time for you guys to move your essays and go to work. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, honey. King of Raphael. Yes, it is safe to trust the ability to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passions. It's safe to trust yourself, trust the process, the divine. First of all, and most important, trusting in yourself, okay, is very, very important. And you guys will be able to accomplish many things at once, but be at peace from inside. That's the only thing that can help you to do many things at the same time. Follow your creative passions, connect with your creative side, and enjoy. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.